Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, boys. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Guys, this review is for this brand new rechargeable tactical flashlight that I just got. Well, I didn't just get it. It's about a week or 2 weeks old, but I'm going to share my thoughts on it and what I think about the light so far. A lot of you guys hunt and fish, outdoorsmen like myself, or if you're into the preparation and shtf and all that good stuff, doomsday, all that stuff like I am, you got a bug out bag, things of that sort. You're always looking for cool things to get that will help you, in any of those scenarios. As a lot of you that follow my channel, I'm a big hunter. Me and my brothers, we hunt everything, we fish, we've been doing it all our lives. We follow all the rules. We just love being in the great outdoors, guys, like most of you guys do. And having a good light that's bright and lasts a while and can do things is very important to us. You know what I mean? Again, especially if you're out in the woods all the time and you're hiking, you're trailing, whatever. You gotta have a good light with you. So I picked this light up on Amazon. I think it's called the Icaric flashlight. It's supposed to be was it 9,000 luminous. It's very bright. Let me see if I could find it. It's upgraded with the 5,000 milliamp battery in this one. It's a tactical flashlight. It can work up to 12 hours fully charged. It charges with a Type-C charger like most of our phones by opening up this little rubber gate right there with the USB or the Type-C plug that goes right in there. Also, it gives you a battery indicator right here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 fully charged. And also, each time you click the button, the mode changes. But I'll get more into that in a little bit. It's adjustable, which is very good. It came in this nice little box with everything you need for it. The handle, the carry thing, everything. There's no case for it. But it is very, very bright. It's one of the brightest ones that I've ever seen for a little flashlight. And I've looked at a lot of them online and to see which one I thought would be the best. But I believe this is 90,000 lumens is what 9 with 5 zeros. So it's pretty good. Like I said, you can charge it with the USB port or that Type-C charger. It has 5 adjustable modes. One is a super bright. It has adjustable focus function. Also with the floodlight, or you can do it for a wide area to zoom in or zoom out for long distance just by pulling the top of the flashlight. The 5 light modes are high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS multifunction. It is waterproof, and it is made with aviation grade aluminum alloy and a seal design achieving the IP67 waterproof and shatter resistant test. Again, it's very bright. Like I said, you just pull the lens to zoom in or zoom out, as you can see. And you can't see in here right now, but it is very, very dark in here right now. I mean, it's pitch black. And it's pretty bright. So, again, so far so good. 29 bucks isn't too bad. Also, you can use this front piece here. It's designed like this. If you had to use it to smash out a window for whatever reason, you can do that as well. It comes with the big battery to charge it. That big lithium battery right there. But then also, it comes with a, let me get this out real quick. It has a, if that were to die and you had some AAA batteries, you would be able to use that on here as well. Let me dig it out of this bag that I just got. let me see what I did with the other piece for the, oh yeah. So you get this little cylinder here for 3 AAA batteries. If you're out and this one does die, so you can use this and put your AAA batteries in there, and then it goes right inside the light. So it came with that, so that's very good. It doesn't tell you when you get the battery how to install the battery, which way is up, which way is down, which is no big deal. I mean, eventually you'll find it out. If you put it in the first time and it doesn't go like I just did, then you just take it out and you flip the battery around. Again, this is very budget friendly, but it is very bright. Like I said, about 30 bucks. So, you know, there's really no complaints about it. I haven't got it out into the field yet, but I will. But my overall first impressions on it, it seems pretty good. It doesn't seem very heavy. It's got a nice lanyard to it, which is another thing that's very good. But again, shatterproof and waterproof is very good. It says it can stay 12 hours on a full charge. I haven't tried that yet. But again, it does have the upgraded 5,000 mAh or milliamp hour battery, and the different lighting modes on there. So I guess it's pretty good. I guess I'll find out once I get it out into the woods, take it out and see how long it lasts. I thought I had it marked where I could tell you how long it would last on a whole charge to see if it was the actual 12 hours. But it does have the battery level, gives you indicators at 100%, 75%, 50%, and 25% battery level with them 4 blue dots right there, which is very good. Again, it's very, very bright, guys. Very bright. And again, for 29 bucks, you can't go wrong. It's just like a lot of them other little black flashlight that you see, but obviously this one's made better, and it's a very, very powerful lumens, whatever, however you pronounce that, lumens. So it's very bright, and again, it serves multiple purposes. And I thought it was a great product, so I figured I'd pass it along to you guys. You guys know I like helping people out, so we'll see how it goes. But those are my thoughts on it so far. Again, it wasn't very expensive. And again, if you need a flashlight to throw in your shoulder bag or your backpack, you're going out to the woods hunting early in the morning like I do, or whatever, for $30, guys, you really can't beat it. So far, so good. But yeah, it looks pretty good so far. And I like that if I am out someplace and I can't get it charged, you could charge it in your car. Again, with the regular same charger that you'd use for your Android phone, plugged right into there. And if you don't have that, then it takes USB. And if you don't have that, then they give you this for 3 AAA batteries to put in there and use it. So again, you got 2 options, so you should never be left in the dark without having a nice bright light. I do have a bigger spotlight that I got from Harbor Freight that's very, very bright. That was about $49.99. I'll do a review on that at another time. But again, guys, it's not a bad deal for $30. If you're looking for something that's very bright and you don't want to be the guinea pig for it. So I'm here, and again, waterproof. It's very nice, very well made. It's very durable, but doesn't feel cheap like some of the other flashlights do. It feels like a real tactical flashlight, guys. And guys, if you haven't seen my other video yet, I make a lot of things, guys. These are my new AR-15 buffer mount wall mounts. Your buffer mount of your buffer tube of your AR-15 would fit right in here. So this would be your stock, and your barrel would hang down. I have these mounts that I just started making, and then I also started making these M-lock mounts. And what these do is these slide right into the M-lock rail of your AR-15 or your Magpul MOE upper handguard, and it's a wall mount. So you can use this for AR or AK-47. They're 3D printed. I only got a couple made so far, about 3 of these ones, and I made 4 of these ones so far. I posted a video up the other day, so go ahead and check it out. I might do a giveaway and give a bunch of these away. We'll see how it goes. But again, this is a perfect wall mount for your AR-15 to put on your M-LOK rail. If you want to have your gun hanging up instead of being sideways, I mean, this, you'll see my video. It was pretty good. So let me know what you guys think about it, and maybe I'll give a bunch of them away. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Please be kind to one another, and please be safe. Have a great day, guys.